Brian Olson. I'm a receiving clerk at Riverside Integrated Solutions. I chose to work at Riverside because I was interested in electronics and I seen they were hiring and I applied and got the job. I've worked at Riverside 31 years. All incoming product to Riverside comes through my dock. I check it, verify the part numbers, receive it into the computer, then I move it to receiving inspection. The most exciting part of my job is the variety. I love the variety here. Every day is something different. What I look forward to most when I come into work is I run my reports for the incoming product. It kind of gives me a feel, okay, what kind of day is it going to be? Is it going to be a real heavy day? Is it going to be a real light day? Over the last 31 years, I've literally worked in every department on the floor. And like I said, it's always something different. And Riverside provided all the training for all those needs.
I am Lucas Leitner. I'm a material handler. As a material handler, my daily jobs are picking parts for the production floor, using the forklift to drop parts for other pickers. The main tool for picking is a portable scanner and a portable printer. So we scan out each part that we pick and then a label prints to label that part. The job sheet is a list of the parts we need to get for the job and the packaging that those parts need. Once we have the job completely picked and all the product, then we take it to the production floor. The thing I like most about being a material handler is probably the variety in my day and the amount of activity I get as far as moving around and not just being stationary all day. I really like the people I work with. I like the autonomy that comes with my job. I chose to work at Riverside because I had heard through word of mouth good things. My sister worked here. I think it's very common for people to hear good things about working here. To anyone who is thinking of applying for material handling at Riverside, I would strongly recommend it. It's a nice atmosphere to work in with nice people and a variety in your job, and yeah, I think it'd be a wise choice. Just come in with an open mind and ready to work hard and independently, and I think you'll be very happy working here. I would recommend this job to friends of mine, yes.